I think Mommy's going to be happy too. This was something that she really wanted to have done, is to install this dimmer. And I got a white one because all the other light switches were white. And that's what you want to do at the store. If this existing light switch was ivory colored, kind of a yellowish color, and if you look through your house and all your other stuff is that color, then you'd want to get a dimmer that color. So does color make a difference? Yes, absolutely. So before you go to the store, look around on your existing conditions. Check out all your light switches. Here's white. I look throughout the house and they're all white, okay? And this particular dimmer, are all dimmers, do they all cost about the same? This one was about, oh, I don't know, $15 or so. And you can get different ones. You can pay all the way up to, you know, a designer one, they'll call them, might slightly look different than that one. Maybe up to $21, $24. This one was either $15 or $16. Okay, so you don't have to spend top of the dollar line. And another thing is, if you have any dimmers in your house now, maybe it's nice to match them. If you've got the little dimmer thing on the side and all the ones in your house, maybe you got 5 or 6 of them, all those have the thing on the side, maybe you want to match that. Now see, the dimmers that they had in the house, see this little handle is kind of short and stubby, and I looked throughout the house and I was trying to get what was here initially. This is what they used to look like. See, this is a little bit thinner, and this kind of tapers and sticks out further. See, this same type of dimmer, and that's for the bathroom. And at night, it's really nice. You can turn these down really super low as you're in the tub or something, you know, or you just want a little ambiance. And your doors, maybe you got some doors like this that open up into the bedroom. Maybe you just want to have these dim a little bit at night. And so they installed the dimmer. Okay. And so she looked around, and now look at this here again. See how this is a little bit taller here, and this doesn't come out as far. I went to the store, was trying to find those, and I haven't looked for a dimmer in quite a few years, and this is the new style that they had. They might have that same one if I would have went to 4 or 5 hardware stores or something, but you know, make up your own mind on that. And these looked to be just fine, and they were about $15, $16, and I wanted to do that instead of spending like 24 bucks. We ended up getting 4 of them. So I talked to Momi, and you can talk to your significant other or your partner, whatever, and you can go through your rooms and decide, hey, where else can I put some dimmers? Okay, that's nice. That nice color. Granted, this is during the day, but at night it just casts a different light on everything when you get a dimmer in here. Okay, so there you go. We installed it ourselves, and we saved some more money. Speaking of money, how much do you think we saved by doing it ourselves? Well, if you were to have called an electrician, and if this is the only thing you wanted him to do, he's going to charge you a service call. He might charge you more for the light fixture or the light switch than you can get at the hardware store, or you could get it and you can say, hey, I need you to put that in. I've got the exact one that I want. All I need you to do is come over and put it in. If he's a friend of yours, maybe he won't charge you anything. Maybe he'll only charge you 35 bucks. If you call out of the phone book or Home Advisor or someplace online and find someone close, it'll probably be a minimum service call. And for an electrician, I don't know what that's going to be in your area. It could be 75 bucks to $95 for one service call, even though he's only there. Hey, shoot, I could have done that had I known. It's only going to take him 15 minutes, and you watched him, and you didn't watch my video, you just saved yourself 75 bucks. And if you want to install any more, you've saved yourself lots of money if you're going to put 4 or 5 of these in your house. Okay? Hey, if you like this video, you want to save more money, you might want to subscribe to my channel. Take a look at other videos that I've made for dimmer switches, for regular light switches like this one, for installing electrical outlets, installing a ceiling fan, anything like that. Whatever I do electrically, I install and put up on my channel. Look for them and subscribe. Well, here's the boss. Do you approve of your new dimmer switch?
I do. I love them.
You love it, huh? Okay, and where else did you say you wanted some?
Oh, all over the house. I think I might have you do the office.
I think, yeah, we were talking about that because there's some lights up in the ceiling that we could put dimmers on for at night.
This one.
Well, that one? Now see, that might be tricky, and I'm going to have to...
Actually, maybe not.
I'm going to have to look at that because I think those are halogen light bulbs.
Maybe we don't.
And I would have to look and see if those are dimmable or not. So it might, or I might have to change the bulb to something else that's dimmable. So there's a tip. If you look at your light fixtures and look at the bulbs, make sure that the bulbs that are in there will be dimmable. Okay, don't just put in a dimmer and then say, hey, what's going on? Okay, so we may have to come back to that.
We may have to come back.
And I thought we had come up with a couple different other places up around the house. Well,
I think downstairs.
downstairs? Okay, we'll walk around again and we'll make sure where the dimmers go, because I might make some more videos because I never know how a dimmer is going to go in. The wiring might be different, you know.
All right.
Okay, well, what did you say we were going to do now? You were talking about a kayak.
Yeah, it's totally.
I know, but this is just part of the quick video with you on here. You wanted to go rent some kayaks? Really?
Lake Tahoe.
Lake Tahoe? Go to Lake Tahoe and rent, what type of kayak was it called?
Crystal kayak.
Kayak.
Crystal kayak.
Okay. I guess that's what, are we doing that today?
No.
Oh, not today.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Would you like me?
So what are we going to talk about next time? Well, I'm going to install this lighted light switch in the garage. The garage is really dark and the light switch is out in the garage. So every time I go out into the garage at night, I have to fumble around for the switch. Well, I'm going to take this one and remove the other one. So you might want to keep watching my videos if that's something you want to learn. Because you know what? You don't have to put a lighted switch out in the garage. Maybe you want to put a lighted switch, you know, in a laundry room, in a storage room, in the bedroom, or your office area. This particular video right here might help you out. Keep watching. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.